Is that Mickey Mouse?
Yep, it has Mickey on it.
Hey.
Who else is on
Yeah. Hey. What do you think no big Mickey's in? S U H E B H B U R C. Maybe your bitch, Mommy.
Is that Mickey Mouse's clubhouse?
Oh. No, what else? Come on, Mommy, open it.
You want to open it? Look at all these other presents to open.
Hey.
it? Oh.
Ooh, this is a bit.
Well, don't shake them too hard, honey. Be gentle.
Oh, wait.
Let's see what it says.
Hold on here. Let's read the clue. It says to MT. Oh, this is from Uncle David and Aunt Krista and Kay and A. Oh, look at this. Pretty cool. Oh, I know what this is. It's cooties. These are great.
Cooties!
These are better than Mr. Potato Heads. You'll love these. We'll play with these after you open them. You'll love those.
Oh, look at all those presents.
Whoa. Hey. What this present is?
What's that?
Hey.
Oh, hi-ho Cheerio. That's fun.
Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Yeah. Cheerio. Cheerio.
Wow, Aunt Chris and Uncle Dave and Kay and A got you lots of games. Yeah, nice. No, they're all from Aunt Kristen and Uncle Dave. Ooh, the labels. Now he knows because I was reading the labels.
Oh, I know what this is. It's a board game. I'll
Ooh.
show you how to play it. It's Chutes and Ladders.
Neat.
Look on the front of it, buddy. You'll see a big picture. It's a game. See the babies playing it?
Yeah. They don't know what this present is.
Who does that say? What does that say, Michael?
This.
Does it say to MT? Oh boy. Nice. Candyland. That's a fun one.
Oh, fun one.